Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice, where I make myself sick off of pumpkin products. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm over pastries and I could use a couple salads. So I thought, why not make a Pepita pumpkin salmon salad? That's a mouthful. Is that going to go well? I don't know. It might go horribly. But there's no harm in trying. Right now, I just wanted to give a review of my honest opinion. I just literally seared a salmon, added the Trader Joe's Pepita salsa over a bed of spinach with pepita seeds, which are pumpkin seeds. And let me give you a taste review, guys. So hopefully it'll taste good. And I love salmon, so can't go wrong with it. I'm thinking it'll go well. Oh my God, it's perfect, like me. Love it. And surprise, surprise, it came out amazing. We still have 29 more days to go. It's 45 nights of pumpkin spice. Salmon salad was a success. Salmon salad was a success, but I still found a way to make a mess because that rhymes, and why not? Oh my God, I don't care. It's everywhere, by the way. I just got it all over the kitchen. It's like not sweet. I can't do any more sugar, dear God. It's like hearty, it's filling, it's savory. It's not sugar laden like the majority of the pumpkin spice products. They don't even taste like pumpkin. They taste like sugar scented with a little bit of pumpkin. This tastes delicious. It's savory. And I'm trying to find other uses for the salsa. But yeah, pumpkin salsa is really good. It goes well with the salmon. And the next recipe I'm making, I'm thinking pumpkin and salmon might be able to go well together too. Like if I make a pumpkin risotto and put like a seared salmon on top of it, or if I utilize my pumpkin butter or pumpkin puree and then add it with salmon on top and like toss it in the broiler. But I don't know. I think salmon and pumpkin is like a thing. And if it's not, I'm going to make it a thing because what I say goes, and I always get what I want. And if I want salmon on a salad with pumpkin, I'm going to do it. No. Okay. Moral of the story, salmon and pumpkin go together, especially on a salad. 45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice is taking over my life. And, you can eat pumpkin spice every day, and it doesn't have to be pastries, guys. This is delicious. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe. And thanks for watching 45 Nights Pumpkin Spice Trader Joe's Salmon Salad Edition. Pretty dope. Well, I'm gonna finish this bad boy. I gotta clean up. Until then, bye.